What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making banana bread. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your oven preheated to 330. My oven is a little funny and it cooks weird because in my other oven I can put it on 340 and it will cook in an hour, but this oven I have to cook it at 330 for an hour and 20 minutes in order for the whole thing to be done. So the first thing you need to do is get some bananas. And you want ripe bananas. The browner, the better. And you need 3 of them, and we're gonna mash them in this bowl. Now in this bowl, we're gonna do all liquid ingredients first. So we get all these mashed up. And it's best to use either a masher or a fork, not a spoon. You want this mashed like mashed potatoes. Alright, so now that we have that mashed, we're going to get 1 egg. This egg does not have to be room temperature. Be careful not to get shells in there. So we got 1 egg and we'll incorporate that as well. Mash it all together. Then we're gonna add some sugar. You're gonna need 1 cup of sugar. And for this recipe, I'm using my favorite organic raw cane sugar. It doesn't have to be this brand in general, but I know organic raw cane sugar works better than regular pure cane sugar. So I need 1 cup of sugar. We're going to need some vanilla. I'm using pure vanilla, but you're more than welcome to use, matter of fact, don't use nothing else. Just use pure vanilla because imitation vanilla does not taste the same. So we're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And people are probably saying, why are you adding sugar to liquid ingredients? Well, believe it or not, sugar is a liquid. Considered a liquid when you're baking. And then to that, we're going to add some vegetable oil. And we need 1/2 cup. Now you can use any kind of flavorless oil, long as it doesn't have any flavor, like grapeseed oil or vegetable oil. And all you need is a 1/2 cup. Now if you don't want to put egg in here, you can add either another banana or you can add unsweetened applesauce. Let's get all this stirred up. Now that we have all this combined, we're going to set this aside. And then we're going to get another bowl for our flour, like all our dry ingredients. So I do have a sifter. This is optional, but I suggest that you add a sifter to this and get like all the flour and things combined. And it helps it make the flour real fine, like cake flour almost. The flour I am using is all-purpose flour. And you're gonna need 2 cups. So this is all-purpose unbleached flour. I'm sorry, I don't use bleached flour. We have our flour. We're going to be using salt, and you're going to need a pinch of salt. My measuring spoon literally says just a pinch. I'm using sea salt. You're more than welcome to use pink salt or white fine salt, iodized salt, whatever you like, but this is what I use. So I literally use a pinch of salt. Then you are going to need some baking soda. Now, I know this sounds crazy, but this is the kind that comes out of the refrigerator. I purposely use this one for baking. I do have a different one in my refrigerator. But you're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's get this sifted. Okay. Now we're going to be incorporating dry ingredient. Now another ingredient that you need to add to this is milk. I am using almond milk because I don't drink milk. And I'm just using unsweetened almond milk. I don't put almond milk with the flavor in it. You're going to need 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to be alternating the dry and wet. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of this. And try to get everybody incorporated. Now again, this is going to bake depending on your oven. My oven allows mine to bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. My suggestion is, once 1 hour hits, start cooking it, because your oven may cook different than mine. The way you'll know it's done is take a toothpick or a knife and stick it in the middle. And if it comes out clean, then it's done. If it's not, put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Cook it again. I do mine in 10-minute increments. But 120 works for me. Alright, so this is good and done. Now for the pan, I'm going to be using this one. I got this one from the Dollar Tree, and I find it works way better than the one that came from Walmart or any other appliance store that I bought these from. This is just $1. Anything that'll save me time and money, I'm all for it. So this you do not have to grease. Now in the other pans, I had to grease, but when I greased it, it burnt and it still stuck. So if you can, try to get the ones from the dollar store. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in here, and once you pour it in here, you need to tap it I'm gonna get all the air bubbles out, and then you put it in the oven and go ahead and set your timer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, and I'll come back and show you what the finished product looks like. Thank you. Hi guys, so one thing I forgot to mention, you're more than welcome to add cinnamon to your recipe. I forgot to do it, but you're more than welcome to add about a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I normally don't measure it, so I can't tell you the exact measurement, but I just normally take it and sprinkle it over the top, and once it's covered, then I'll stir it in. But you're more than welcome to use it. If not, it's optional. Alright guys, so here is the finished banana bread. I'm going to show you how to store this banana bread. I take plastic wrap and wrap it. It keeps it moist. Now if I put regular foil on it, it will dry out in, you know, in the next day or so. But I find that if I put plastic wrap around the whole banana bread, it'll keep it moist for at least a week or so. I have, you know, this millions of times, and this is how I store it. And just take it and wrap it up. So keep it nice and moist. And then I took the pan and just washed it out, and then I just stored it in the same pan that I got it from. And then I cover it with foil. Once you keep it wrapped in that plastic wrap, it'll stay good. You don't have to keep this in the refrigerator. I just keep it on top of the stove or the counter or whatever. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.